Hello and welcome to the Excellent English Club. Today's topic is daily routine conversation. In daily routine conversation, I will tell you some daily routine sentences, okay? And you have to practice them. If anybody asks you, can you tell me your daily routine? You can easily tell with the help of these sentences. These are very basic and small sentences, okay? Now let's start. Daily routine conversation. Before discussing these sentences, I will give you idea about the simple present tense. Because whenever we tell our routine, we always use simple present tense. Look here, simple present tense. In the green color, there is a small box. In that box, you will find subject plus first form of the verb plus S or ES. This is the formula of simple present tense, right? Now, whenever we use any sentence, we use in 4 different ways. What are these 4 different ways? Let's discuss. Number 1, for example, simple present tense is very often used in English. Whenever we talk, generally we say in this tense. So we should learn it carefully. First thing is affirmative. What is this? Affirmative. In affirmative, we say he speaks, I speak, they speak, like this. Second, negative. What is this? Negative. When we use negative, we use not. For example, he does not speak. When we use does, we don't say speaks, we say speak. This rule I will let you know later on when I'll give you grammar lessons, okay? The third one is yes no question. Yes no questions means does he speak? So this is a question, but the answer is maybe yes or no. You can say yes he speaks, or you can say no he doesn't. Okay? So this is yes no question. And the fourth one is WH question. So any tense we can use in 4 different ways. The first one is affirmative, second one is negative, third one is yes no question, and fourth one is WH questions. For example, what does he speak? As I told you, when we use do or does, we use verb without S or ES. If the subject is third person pronoun singular. Clear? These are the 4 different ways to produce any tense. Okay? Now move to today's topic. Daily routine conversation. Look here. This is the first sentence. I turn off my alarm. When we get up, first what we do? Just switch off our alarm because we get up with the help of alarm. Sentence 2. I get up at 6 o'clock. What time we get up? At 6 o'clock. 3. Ram brushes his teeth. In place of I intentionally put Ram to tell you that when we use third person singular, he, she or it or any singular name, we use verb plus S or ES. So here Ram brushes. In place of brush, I brush my teeth or Ram brushes his teeth. So intentionally I put Ram and Sita in 2 sentences to tell you that if we use third person singular, we use S or ES with verb. Okay? Similarly, look here. Sita takes shower at 7 o'clock. Again, Sita is here, so it will be takes, not take. Okay? Next sentence. I comb my hair at 7:15 a.m. I comb my hair at 7:15 a.m. Right? Next sentence. I get dressed at 7:20 a.m. Next sentence. I have breakfast at 7:25 a.m. I have breakfast at 7:25 a.m. means I take my breakfast at 7:25 a.m. Then I read newspaper at breakfast table. And next sentence, I go to work at 7:30 a.m. Okay? Next sentence, I start work at 8 o'clock. Means when I reach my office, I start my work at 8 o'clock. Then I take lunch at 1:30 p.m. After finishing some work at the time of lunch, I take my lunch around 1:30 p.m. Then next sentence, I take meeting every day. Clear? Next sentence, I finish my work at 5 o'clock. I finish my work at 5 o'clock. Next sentence, I drive home for an hour. means it takes 1 hour from my office to home. I arrive home at 6 o'clock. Next sentence, I watch TV every day. When I reach home after taking rest or tea or coffee, I watch TV every day. The next sentence is, I play with my kids. I have children, so I play with my children in the evening. Next, I have dinner at 9:30 p.m. I have dinner at 9:30 p.m. The next one is, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. means I want to go to sleep around 10:30. Okay? And finally, I fall asleep. This is daily routine conversation. You can change your timings, your places, your vocabulary according to your situation. Okay? Now I will give you one exercise. You will have to do it yourself. And this is the exercise which I am going to give you. Complete the sentences. You have to complete these sentences with the help of these words. There are 10 sentences and there are 10 words. Okay, you have to complete these sentences with the help of these words. And if you have any problem, any query, you can ask me in the comment column. Okay, I think you understand how you can tell your daily routine. And as I told you, it should be in the simple present tense. And I told you what is simple present tense, so there will be no problem. Okay, understand? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.